With this one, you want to work fast. You just saw me transform myself, like literally. This is how my eyelashes look. Hey, and that will be it. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Olenka, but people call me Ole. And yeah, I have a really exciting video for you guys. A video of doing a full face of Maybelline products. Maybelline is a brand I really like. I love their affordability. You can get so many amazing products in a budget, so I'm just gonna be showing you all of my favorite ones in this video. The SuperStay, the Fit Me, eyelash products, brow products, and I have a little bit more. Let's begin with the full face. As you all can see, I have nothing on my face. I have no makeup. My skin is going through it right now. It's in the process of healing right now. I used to have a lot of pimples, like it was a mess, but right now they are in the process of going away, so I'm happy about that. This is perfect for this video actually, so you guys can see how good my Maybelline foundations can cover this up when I want to. I use these both foundations from Maybelline, the SuperStay Activewear and the Fit Me one. I either use them both together or this one alone. This is really medium to light coverage and this is medium to full coverage. So if it was one day that I'm just doing regular stuff, I'm not going to any event or anything, I will only use this one. But if I'm going to like a birthday party or something a little bit more fancy, or in a day that I need a little bit more coverage, I use this both. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna use both so you can see how they mix together and how it works. I will begin with this one first. This is on the shade 128 Warm Nude. I actually did a review on both of these foundations, test them side by side on my channel. So if you want to watch that video, I'm gonna leave a link down below, or it's gonna appear around here as well, so you can watch it after. What I learned to do with this foundation is to apply it with my fingers. With the sponge it does well, but I feel like it does a little bit more coverage with fingers, so that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I put like a full pump on my finger like that. With this one, you want to work fast since it dries quickly, but I basically put this one in all my problem areas. As you can see, it's way better. Use a little bit more just to cover the ones that I couldn't cover before. Right here, this side doesn't have that many problems, so I don't use that much product on that side. With this foundation, I will avoid under my eyes since this one sets a little bit more heavier and I feel like it makes my little eye lines show a little bit more, so I will avoid 100% put it on around my eyes. And right now, to fill my whole face, I'm gonna use the Fit Me in 220. This is basically my color. Should have gotten this in 220, that would have been perfect, but it's okay. It still works. Let's finish the base. As you can see, my skin looks way better. This thing is amazing for that. You just saw my skin transform completely. Let's do the final touches with this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna take about that and put it on my face. Good thing about the Fit Me is that it doesn't set that fast, so you have a little bit more time to work with it. This one I will put under my eyes since it's way more on the liquid side, so it doesn't set on the lines in a bad way. So that was gonna be that side. Okay, right now let's do the middle part, the T-zone. Just feels really weird to use your fingers, but I swear it is what works the best for coverage. I was like, I remember, and I still am a little bit like about using my fingers. I actually learned that from Hailey Bieber. Basically does almost everything with her fingers when it comes to foundation. Okay, so this is how the final result of my base looks. I think it looks great. You just saw me transform myself, like literally. I was actually forgetting one little step, and it's the concealer. Since this is brand new, this is actually gonna be a first impression of this SuperStay Activewear Concealer. So let's see how it goes. This is on the shade 22. So applicator looks. I actually wanted to choose one shade that matches my skin more than being like a brightener. I wanted something to match my skin a little bit more, and let's try it on. I'll put this one first. I think I chose the correct shade. Yeah, that's perfect. That was perfect. I'm really liking this concealer. I really like the coverage of this. Just gonna do a little bit more. I actually have a little pimple right there that is already leaving, but this is still there. So let's cover that up a little bit more. Okay, boom, gone. So far I really like this concealer. Let's see how it goes. So what I will do next is set my face with this Maybelline Lasting Fix banana powder. This thing is amazing. You're just gonna watch it working right now, so I don't even need to speak for it. Start setting. I will only set my nose, my T-zone, right here, a little bit on the eyes and under the eyes, basically my whole face. Did you see that powder working? It's just beautiful, it's stunning. Mwah. I love this product. I need to repurchase this and have backups of this because it is amazing. Right now I'm gonna do bronzer, and this is the part where I'm gonna cheat a little bit, since today I went to the Maybelline store in my country and they don't have the amazing and beautiful bronzer powder in 200. That was what I used to use when I was younger. I ran out of it. I don't have it anymore, and they didn't have it in my store, so I'm gonna use something that is really similar to that, and that reminds me a lot of it. This is the only part where I'm gonna cheat, so don't worry and don't kill me. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Maybelline one that I'm gonna put right here into 100. It's basically a dupe for this. It's a little bit warmer though, and I love it as well, so let's pretend I'm using that for this step. Okay, okay, that is actually perfect. To make it look a little bit more like the Maybelline one, I'm gonna use this warmer color from like NYX, just to make it look a little bit warmer, since the one from Maybelline is a little bit warmer. I feel like that's the perfect replica. What I will do for eyes normally is just to use whatever I used on my cheeks, on my eyes, you know? So I'm just gonna use the bronzer and put it on my eyes. Right here on my nose. I think I went too heavy on that powder. I'm gonna fix it with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is the one I carry with me to, you know, retouch my makeup in a party or whatever I am. This is why this one looks like this, because I take it everywhere. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna do eyeliner. This is one that I just recently purchased and I freaking love it, and you're gonna see why I freaking love it. This is the Hyper Easy eyeliner. It is on the shade 800 Pitch Black. Okay, that was so easy. It is insane. Okay, that was really easy. I love it. A little bit of bronzer under my eyes as well. Now we're gonna do highlighter. I love the Master Chrome. This is on the shade 100. So pretty, so beautiful. I love it. This is amazing. And now it's time for eyelashes. Lash Sensational Full Face Makeup. And I actually purchased this because I saw a video basically trying all the drugstores mascaras. This one won first place, so I was like, okay, I gotta try it, and this thing is amazing. It is kind of like waterproof without being waterproof, you know, without being like that heavy pain in the ass to take off. Like, I hate when mascaras are hard to take off and you basically need to rub your eyelashes off to take it off. I hate that. This is so easy. It's washable. Just gonna show you, this is how it looks. Let's apply it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more for my eyelashes right here. This is with just one coat. I'm gonna do a second coat and then I'm gonna move on to this eyelash. Okay, so this is how my eyelashes look after it, and I freaking love this mascara. I love it so much that I already have a backup. When I have a backup or something, you know how much I love it, and as you can see, it's just stunning, beautiful. Right now we're gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the TattooStudio brow gel by Maybelline. I actually need to repurchase another one because this one is drying up, but it still works. That's the important part. So right now I'm just gonna brush my brows a little bit, and we're gonna use this thing. Actually tends to come off a lot of products, so I take the excess off right here. Let's do the eyebrows. I try to begin at the end. I'm afraid of putting a lot of product here at the beginning, and it's just gonna look weird. And this side, brush the product just to take the excess off. I love how pigmented it is and how easy it is to do your eyebrows. I'll take a brush like this. I'm moving the product wherever I need a little bit more coverage. Brush my brows a little bit right here. I feel like that is enough and that is perfect. Same highlighter I put on my inner corner, I will put it on my face. I will use this brush by Real Techniques, this fun brush. Take the excess off and apply it. This gold highlighter, I love it. For my nose, I will apply it with a brush like this. I will put it right here on the tip of my nose, on the cupid's bow. As you can see, I freaking love highlighter. We are on the last step. We're gonna choose between all of these ones for my lips. I actually made a review video as well. I'm gonna, of all of them, just gonna leave it in the box down below. The gloss we're gonna use 100%. Like, this thing is amazing. SuperStay Matte Ink by Maybelline in the shade Amazonian. Lifter gloss on the shade Stone. I freaking love this thing. As you can see, I'm literally running out of it. It has almost nothing. Hey, and that will be it. That's the final product. I freaking love every single of these products. They all look amazing. I just love Maybelline so much, and everything is so affordable. I love that about it. Everyone can play with their makeup, see if they like it or not, but you can get amazing products for a budget, and that's perfect. Makeup can, you know, if you put everything together, it can get really expensive. So if this video helped you in any type of way, don't forget to give a like down there. Let me know in the comments which product do you love the most. which ones maybe you don't like, because everyone has their own preferences. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep watching videos from me. And until next time, ciao ciao.